3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Mission Control for a quick tips video. In this video we're going to talk about using the pixel mapper to make a chase. The pixel mapper can be used to create quick chases across fixtures, helpful when trying to have multiple directions at the same time. So let's see that in action. Here I've got version 13 of Titan on the Titan Go interface, and also we'll go ahead and put up capture so we can see what we're doing. So first thing we'll do is go ahead and select our fixtures, and then we'll go ahead and go to Shapes and Effects, Pixel Mapper, and Create Effect. We'll go ahead and select our first layer here, and we'll go ahead and hit the plus button to add an element, and we'll add this one. We'll also turn on our fixture overlay so we can see our fixtures. And then we'll go ahead and take our width of this and make it a little smaller. And we'll go and take its X position and put it at 0. And we'll go ahead and hit our black sun button so that we can see stuff on our fixtures. And it's the bleed through you're seeing, you don't really see in real life as much, captures overstating it. So then if we go ahead and add an animation to this, we'll choose the slide across. And we'll set its spawn rate to 0.5, should do it for us. And it goes all the way across the screen. Now if we wanted to add a direction with it coming in from the other side, we could simply we could select copy, and then copy this one, and then set it onto layer 2. We then select our animation and set its direction to 270, so it's going the opposite direction, and set its position of our element to be 100% instead of 0%. Then if I restart it, see that now it comes in from both sides perfectly timed. It looks like it's crossing in the center on our fixtures. We'll go ahead and close this for a second. We'll change our fixtures positions. There we go. And we can reopen our effect editor and see there. And if we're happy with that, we can just simply record it to a playback and clear it. And now we should have the effect on our playback. So that's a quick way to use the pixel mapper to make other effects. It doesn't need to necessarily be a pixel type fixture. It could be any fixture and be kind of useful. So hope you learned something. Please subscribe and join us next time. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.